Hi, my name is Bhargav and I would like to talk about the communication strategy implemented by Chetna and I. The idea behind the strategy was to introduce cooperative behavior between the agents. We had a list of objectives we wanted to fulfill. We wanted agents to help each other out by providing useful information. We wanted to increase the total explored area. We wanted an agent to be continuously aware of its partner's location. We wanted an agent to communicate its intentions so that we could avoid clashes and hence save time and fuel resources. The communication structure built upon the already existing agent structure. An agent receives information from its partner, then senses the environment, uses this information to think and performs an action. It then sends the newly updated information back to its partner. Here's a situation where we use communication to make a request and receive a response. Here, we use communication to avoid intention clashes. Here, we use communication to update outdated memory. Here, we use communication to communicate current locations. This is especially useful to send relevant information to the other agent in case a request comes in, and to also make sure that agents do not clash in their explore targets. We do not want to explore the same area. Here, we use communication to assist in pathfinding. In this situation, we calculate an obstacle as follows. We create a rectangle of length and width 20 using the agent's current location and its intended target as two edges of the rectangle. We generate 10 random points within the grid, and from the working memory, we find the closest obstacle for each of these points. From these 10 obstacles, we return the obstacle closest to the agent's target location. And then agent 2 returns this to agent 1. This helps agent 1 in computing a better path, which saves potential time steps. Some extra information. We follow a system similar to handshaking. The information to be sent is dynamically decided based on the scenario, as we have a 3-message limit. The choice of which message to send is decided based on a priority system. The priority of deciding between the scenarios is as follows. Intention change is given the highest priority, followed by updating outdated memory. This is then followed by requesting for a tile or a hole, and then followed by pathfinding assistance. The location is communicated at short fixed intervals of 5 time steps as the agents are continuously in motion, and this information should not get out of date. Hence, this is not part of the priority system. Results. This graph shows the results of implementing the communication algorithm. As you can see, there's a slight increase after implementing communication in each of the environments. However, we feel that the increase in results is only slight, as our individual agents perform very well to begin with before the communication was implemented, and the score cannot improve beyond a certain point. But however, an increase is still noticed. Thank you.